Hi students, how are you? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have completed our second chapter, globes and maps in the computer. Okay, and which application we have used? Yes, Marble. Okay, so in today's class, we are going for a review of that chapter 2, a recapitulation for chapter 2. I am repeating again this chapter for your better understanding. So let us start our today's class. So chapter name is Globes and Maps in the Computer, and we are using an application called Marble. Okay, so as I have told you earlier, this is a review of our second chapter, a recapitulation for our second chapter. So these are the topics which we have already discussed, and in today's class also we are going to just review these activities for your better understanding. So I am repeating again and again these topics for your better understanding. So today we will discuss all these points once more. Okay, so what are the uses of Marble software? Uses means all these activities. What is activity on finding place, finding aerial distance, creating and saving maps, finding the latitude and longitude? These all are the uses of this Marble software. Okay, so let us check from this topic how to open a Marble software. Okay, so as I have told you earlier, first you have to go to application at the top left corner, select education. In the education you can see Marble, click on that. So the application will be open now. Yes, this is our Marble software. Okay, here at the left side you can see search box for searching the places. Okay, there are so many types of maps here. That is not your concern. We are not having these things in our syllabus. Okay, and the second thing we have to know that this is the globe view. If you want the flat view, what you have to do, you have to click on this small triangle and you select flat view, then it will be flat view. Again, if you want to change to the globe view, you can see here globe at the left side. Can you see here left side globe view? Yes, click on that. Okay, if you want to zoom in, what you have to do, at the bottom right corner you can see a plus button. Click on that plus button. If you want to move the globe, what you have to do, you just click and drag like this. If you want India, if you want to see India, you can click and drag according to your convenience. Okay, so this is how we are opening a Marble software. Okay, what is our next topic? Yes, activity 1, finding a place. So I have written here the steps. I am not reading out the steps here. Now I am going to show you in the Marble software. So suppose I want to, I am zooming in this, I want to search Trichur. Okay, so what I have to do, or Cochin, I am going to search Cochin. Here in the left side you can see search box. Click here and type Cochin. While typing itself, it will show this place Cochin inside bracket IN. IN stands for, yes, India. Click here and you press enter key in your keyboard. Now here I will zoom in. Here you can see a cross mark. A cross mark. This cross mark shows you the place. Okay, so this is how for searching a place, for finding a place. So what we have done, type the name of the place in the search box. Now you can see the name of the place is appearing. We have typed Cochin, so while typing itself it is showing Cochin inside bracket IN, India. What is the third step? Click on that place and finally click on enter key on the keyboard. So this is very simple for finding a place in Marble software. What is our second activity? Finding distance between two places. Finding the distance between two places. How many kilometers between two places? So this activity also very simple. I will show you. First I will show you, then we will read out these steps. Suppose I want to find the distance between Thiruvananthapuram. You can see here Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut here. So what I am going to do, in the search box I am going to type the first place is Thiruvananthapuram. So it is already showing here. Click on that and you press enter key. So now you can see a white cross mark in Thiruvananthapuram. Here what you have to do, right click on this point and you select add measure point. Now go back here, search box, and you type the second place, Calicut. Click here Calicut and press enter key. Again in Calicut you can see the cross mark. Again right click on Calicut and click on add measure point. Now you can see a red line. I'll zoom in. A red line between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut, and it is showing in this box. Can you see here? The total distance between Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut is 331.1 kilometer. Okay, so this is how we are finding the distance between two places. Now what is our third activity? So I have written here find place 1 using search box. Right click on the place and click on add measure point. Again place 2, search place 2 and click on add measure point. Now you can see the distance between two places. What is our third activity? Creating and saving a map. So I'll show it in the Marble. I'm zooming in now. I'm going to remove this. Suppose I want the map of India, this portion. So what I have to do, I have to convert this globe view into flat view or Mercator view. Any view can be taken by you. So here I am going to take flat view. So now the map is in a flat view. Now what you have to do, you have to click on file. Inside file you can see export map. You can select a folder here. Which folder you are choosing, you can select the folder here. You can type a name here, map of India. That is up to you. Any name can be given by you. And you click on save button. Here I am going to save on home folder. Then this picture will be saved in our home folder. Okay, so that is all about our third activity. Next, so I have written here the steps. Set the place which you want to save. Select any view, Mercator view or flat view. Then go to file menu. Inside file menu you can see an option, export map. Select a folder and give a name and click on save button. Okay, so inside that folder you can save that, you can see that map. what is our activity for major latitudes and longitudes? So in the last class I have shown you the major latitudes. Equator means which divides the globe into two parts. One is northern and southern hemisphere. So it is known as 0 degree latitude. In your textbook I have shown you page number 21. The last class itself I have shown you. So Arctic Circle means this is the degree 66.5 degree north. It is in north side. Tropic of Cancer is also in north side. Degree is 23.5 degree. Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, these both are in south hemisphere, and note down the degrees. North Pole means in north side at the top 90 degree. South Pole means at the bottom 90 degree. So these are the major latitudes. And also from this, which one is the major latitude passing through India? In the last class I have shown you which one is the major latitude passing through India. Yes, Tropic of Cancer. I will show it now. Can you see here a yellow line here, a yellow color text and yellow color line here, and this is India, and in the major latitude passing through India is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. I'll show you the equator now. Equator is under India. You can see here a yellow line. This yellow line is known as equator, which divides the globe into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, so these are the latitude. Now the next one is major longitudes. Okay, so I have shown you in the last class 0 degree standard meridian, or it is also known as prime meridian. Okay, the vertical line. Longitude means vertical line and latitude means horizontal lines. Okay, so this is the major longitude. 0 degree standard meridian or prime meridian is a major longitude which divides the globe into two parts, eastern and western hemisphere. Okay, and also note down this point: longitude opposite to 0 degree standard meridian is 180 degree anti-meridian. 180 degree anti-meridian. So in your textbook page number 22 I have shown you one table, and I think all of you have note down, fill out the blank spaces in that table. Okay, in your textbook page number 22. And our last activity is finding the latitude and longitude of an area. Okay, so how to find that I will show it, then we will read out these steps. So suppose I want to find the latitude and longitude of Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, so or Cochin. I am going to find the latitude and longitude of Cochin. Okay, so what I have to do, first I need to search the place Cochin. So you can see here Cochin, press enter key and you can see a white cross mark here. Click on that, left click on that cross mark in Cochin. Then a window will appear, a white color window. Inside this you can see the longitude and latitude values. Don't bother about these values. It is reading out like this: 76 degree 14 minutes 0 seconds E. E stands for east, and latitude means 9 degree 58 minutes 0 second N. N stands for north. Okay, so these all are the activities which we have studied in second chapter. So hope all are clear about these activities. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to contact me in person. In the next class, we will start our third chapter, concepts into pictures. Okay, now we are moving a little bit fast. We have already completed 3 chapters. That is why I am repeating these chapters again and again. Okay, my dear students, so study well. Thank you very much.